Welcome back for another episode of Tool Tuesday. Today we have two tools that I need to review. First up, we have the multi-tool socket cutter. I was actually sore. Anyway, this thing is sharp and I'm excited to try this. Haven't used it before. We'll see this in a sec. And then the other tool that we have, nice, is the Stud Buddy. Owen Barber has been telling me to buy this from the first video I've been making, I think. So that one's for you, Owen Barber. We're going to test this out and see how we get on. So first things first, we're going to get into the Stud Buddy. How does this work? It just has magnets on it and it's really light. And all you do is you hold it up to the wall. And now this is timber in here, but to screw the slab into the timber, they use screws. And this will find the screws. So I reckon somewhere around, there you go. See that? Stud right here. And I'd say if we follow that line down, yeah, another screw, and another screw. What a tool, honestly, that's phenomenal. So then let's get into the star of the show, the multi-tool socket cutter. Now I did have my reservations about this. 3.5 stars on Amazon, said it had a chance. And I'm not going to lie to you lads, this is by far the worst tool I have ever used in my life. This thing is horrendous. Don't ever buy this. Don't even look at this again. I gave this thing every chance to work, but it was so bad that I had to just get the old multi-tool blade out, standard one, and just cut it itself. This was just so disappointing. Very disappointing. Sad day for the parish. So after that then, this video has now become how to change the sockets. We got the wall knocked out, connected into the socket above, and then we pushed in this plasterboard fixing box, pushed in the wings, and then got out the CK cable stripper. This was Jacari, but I believe CK and Jacari have now merged as a company. So you can see here, you just strip the MYMJ, get your cables out and exposed, chop off the excess, pull it out there as you can see. And then you follow back your connections. Simple as that. Should you do this? Only when it is an end of line, because it makes a better connection instead of one bit of copper going in underneath the screw. Technically you have two. And then you just connect it up. You've guessed it. Live, neutral and earth. Shout out to Omi Electrical. One of the best to ever do it. And then you just stick this up, screw it in, and you are good to go. So this video was a bit of a two birds, one stone. We got a Tool Tuesday and a Nixer done in my own house at the same time. So the breaker was flicked back up. We got out the socket tester, and there you go. Boom, dusted. So that has been it for another episode of Tool Tuesday. If anybody has any tools they want me to buy or review, comment down below. Anyways, I'll see you for another video tomorrow.